Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can save audio from Facebook Reels. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Here you can see the video icon, tap on it. Now tap on Reel. And here you can see different videos. Now to save the audio from those reels, what you have to do is tap on that audio, and here you can see save audio. Simply click on save audio, and this is how the sound is saved in your Facebook account. Now so guys, this is how you can easily save music from Facebook Reels. Hope you guys like my video, and guys please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.